Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to create your own structure in a simplified way. And I will also explain why having your own structure is important, how you can create it, and whether you are required to have one or not, alright? If you are an affiliate, I already tell you that it is mandatory to have your own structure, and I will show you the reasons here. Well, the first question we need to ask is, what is your own structure? Right? When you are an affiliate, you don't have your own personal link, the product creator or the person whose course you are promoting. They will provide the link for you that you will use to promote the product, right? However, when you promote this link directly, if you run campaigns on Facebook and Google Ads, you can't track the information accurately. I'll show you here. This link here is my affiliate link for this product, so I'll copy it here and open it here. Do you see? It opens an extension, Affiliate Journey Pro, an extension from the creator, meaning all affiliates of this product use it. If they do not have their own structure, they will promote, run advertisements on Google and Facebook using this link right here. In other words, everyone will be advertising with the same link. This makes the Google auction more expensive and the Facebook auction pricier too. Another issue that might occur is what? Blocks. When you run ads to the same URL, if you get blocked, which is what happens to the majority of affiliates who do not know how to advertise properly, they will advertise and get blocked. That URL ends up getting flagged, so you might try to use that link and get blocked, sometimes because of other affiliates who have used it. So let's understand here, why have your own structure? The first reason is what I just mentioned to you, blocks. If you have your own structure, which is this URL here, this site on your domain, that is having your own structure, okay? I will show you how to do it. I am just explaining what it is for you to understand. So why have it? To avoid blocks. The second step is to have the pixel installed and track all the sales that you make. When you create an advertisement directly for the producer's domain, you are unable to track the sales effectively. Your campaign, besides not optimizing properly, is very likely to yield no results. So for it to work correctly, you have to clone the producer's page, which is what we will do here. Install the pixel on the producer's page and install the pixel on the checkout. So that's why you need to have the pixel installed, and you also need to have your own structure in place. Another reason which is relevant here is for you to do remarketing to people who have already visited your site, which is the well-known page view and add to cart action. So the individuals who visited your site and did not make a purchase, you can do remarketing directly to these people, spending less money, right? So the cost per conversion is generally lower. If you do not have your own structure, you cannot do this. And the last reason is better metrics. As I mentioned before, it is pointless to run an ad without the pixel installed. You are basically wasting money. You can test it yourself. Create a campaign with the pixel and one without it to see which brings the best result. Plus, without the pixel, you can't measure anything. So cost per click, how much you are paying for the person and for the cart. Without the pixel, you don't have this information. Facebook can't collect it. So you need to have it. And that's what I'll show you here how to do. What you will do first is copy the sales page. Here I am on Hotmart. So you go to the products you are affiliated with and copy the sales page. You copy the sales page and leave it here in a notepad for later. You will open it. It needs to be open to do the cloning. So here is the page. We will clone it and you will see how easy it is. So I will open it here, leave it saved here, and then what are we going to do? We will change the link here. When the person clicks here, they have to go to your checkout link. If you do this here and don't change this button, you will not receive your commission. So if you come here to Hotmart, some producers do not make this available, the checkout as a separate link, which is quite inconvenient. Sometimes the producer is unaware of this info and hasn't enabled it. You just need to contact him and ask him to enable the separate checkout link. He will enable it for you in the product settings. So here I have the direct link for the checkout. If I open it, it will go straight to the checkout. See, this is the correct link for me to receive my commission. So we are going to use the page cloner tool, which is called Affilias, right? I have talked a lot about them here on the channel. If you are not registered with Affilias, I will leave the link below with a discount too. A coupon is applied. Click on it and register with Affilias. It is a paid platform, but as it greatly simplifies the whole process of creating your own structure, I believe it is worth it. You will spend, I believe, around 100 reais, but you won't need programming, won't need to hire external hosting, and won't need to understand WordPress. If you happen to clone the page and wish to change any information, it is quite easy and very simple. So due to the convenience and to save time and avoid headaches, it is really worth it. I will open the tool here and go to the new page. I want to clone a page. Here is the link of the page that will be cloned, and here is the output domain. This output domain, I can go to my domains and register any domain. You purchase the domain and register it here. The only additional expense you will have with Affilias is buying the domain, which you need to own, costing 40 reais per year, and you buy it outside Affilias. You purchase it on Registro BR GoDaddy, which is your site. So you buy the site here, the domain, and point it to Affilias. Here are the tutorials. The channel has videos explaining how to do this. I won't show everything in this video, but let's say I want to point to this domain here, and here I will put the name. The page has already been cloned, so I will put it on my domain and see if it cloned. I have the entire structure of the producer already. I already have the sales page here on my domain. Another piece of information, now I can already do whatever I want here. I can change the affiliate link directly here. If I want to change it, I can already put my affiliate link here, which is the link I mentioned before, this checkout link. So I copy it, paste it here, it will change, and then I save it. Another thing, as I said, on this page, I can already place my pixel, the conversion API. If you don't know how to create the Facebook pixel and don't know how to generate it, there is a video here on the channel, one of the latest videos, where I teach how to create the pixel and the token. So take a look here on the channel and also take the opportunity to subscribe. Here as well, Google Ads conversion pixel. So here, this conversion pixel, folks, will be the page view 1. Here it says it is not the main event. The main event is still on Hotmart, so keep that in mind. So you need to configure the pixel here on Affilias and the page view pixel and the purchase pixel on Hotmart or Bribe. You can place the checkout wherever you want. Here also is the customization part. So I cloned this page. Now it has a customizer if I want to change any word, want to change any information. So let's say here, I want to change some information. I want to put something else written here. Look, I can do it. You see everything in the structure, in the layout, already professional. This is because when you clone, sometimes you might clone something wrong or some information which can be problematic. Some WhatsApp number, something you want to change here, you can do it in a very simple way. Save it here and it's all good and fine. All right, folks. So this is a very easy way for you to have your own structure. You can go to Hotmart, to Bribe, clone as many pages as you want. No domain limit, no bandwidth limit at all. With this, you will avoid many blocks. I strongly recommend you have your own structure, both for tracking, for having metrics and everything else that is important. Another tip as well, if you run ads with multiple profiles on your machine and need contingency, I'll leave a 20% discount coupon for Dolphin here in the video description. Dolphin is a multi-login tool that lets you have many profiles on your machine without mixing info, okay? So if you need contingency, check out the Dolphin link here, 20% discount coupon, all right? If you have any questions, if you're not registered with Affilias, say link below. Any doubts, leave them in the comments. I answer everyone. Give a like to this video to support us. Subscribe to the channel. Big hug and stay with God. Much success.